Ready? What are we saying?
Hi, my name is Brittany and today I did a journal. I had some different colours using a paintbrush and I overlapped some colours so there won't be any white bits in it.
Hi, I'm Jenny, and my favourite thing about this was probably doing the Be Fabulous because it was very nice and you had to colour everything and make look like a bee.
What do you think it helped you with today? Help you de-stress any, not think about things?
Probably relax a lot and be patient.
Yeah?
Yeah, definitely.
There is a dinosaur and some towel.
A leaf. How'd you do that?
It's
What did you use to do this?
a toothbrush and some. I made a journal and it's like an ocean kind of journal. And my favorite part was when I was putting the jewels and stuff on.
Wow! Yay!
I'm just and my favorite bit was this bit, doing the painting it and then getting the wipe and doing over what's it called?
Stenciling?
Yes, stenciling. You got it.
Hi, my name's Zaylee and I did this journal. My favorite bit was almost everything.
I'm Edie. No, I'm Kaylee. My favorite thing was making the tags. Mum's probably the painting.
The best thing about today overall?
Was definitely probably the food.
The food.
It was really good. Yeah.
Would you come back and do it again?
Yes. Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay.
Yeah.
You thought it was well worth it?
Yeah.
Yes.
Would you bring friends next time?
Yes. Yes.